This is going to be my first ever YouTube video in which I'll be sharing my experience at NIT Agartala since I've completed my first semester in this college. So I thought to share my experience and how these 6 months were. So um, yeah, I'll directly begin with my counseling thing. That counseling thing was so active, and as I was a dropper. So to be honest, being dropper is it's like so hectic thing because in that year the only thing that keeps going on in your head is just you have to get admitted into the college as quickly as possible because your saturation level is actually one of my seniors. I was passing, so I don't know what I was saying. Yeah. So yeah, where I was. So मैं ड्रॉपर थी. तो बीइंग अ ड्रॉपर द थिंग्स आर सो फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग बिकॉज एक साल तक आप घर में बैठ के बहुत डिप्रेस हो जाते हो बिकॉज यू सी योर फ्रेंड्स इन्जॉइंग इन देयर कॉलेज लाइफ. तो एक मतलब फर्स्ट जेई मेंस देने के बाद तो आप जल्दी से आपको लगता है कि बस अब कैसे भी करके कुछ भी कॉलेज मिले, आपको बस कॉलेज में एडमिशन चाहिए एंड यू वांट टू बिगिन योर न्यू लाइफ. मतलब वापस से जेई देना, लाइक अगेन अप्रैल अटैम्प्ट देन एडवांस, उसके लिए आपके अंदर ना एनर्जी बचता है और ना ही मोटिवेशन बचता है. सो सेम वॉज द केस विथ मी. सो आई गेव जेई इन जनवरी एंड वन थिंग आई डिसाइडेड कि अगर जनवरी में मेरे अबव 96 परसेंटाइल आते हैं तो मैं अप्रैल के लिए पढ़ूंगी. अदरवाइज आई लीव जेई and I'll prepare for CUET and would try to get DU and all and begin my Bachelor of Arts. But somehow मेरे percentile उससे ज़्यादा आए, like almost उतने ही आए लगभग, and I was like okay, let's prepare for April in advance. I did, but somehow obviously my mind was saturated, तो मैं उतने अच्छे से चीज़ें नहीं कर पा रही थी. But I tried my best. I worked so hard for JEE, but somehow at the end uh, it was clear that I'll be going to NIT Agartala because based upon my rank, I didn't wanted to compromise with my branches. Although I was not interested in CSE, that thing was so clear. So मुझे था कि मुझे EC electrical में ही चाहिए. तो according to my rank, I found out कि I can get electrical engineering in NIT Agartala. So I was clear कि मुझे इसी कॉलेज में आना है. तो मैंने अपना रिसर्च एंड ऑल करा, सीनियर्स को रीच आउट किया थ्रू ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स और ये कंफर्म कर लिया कि ओके आई एम गोइंग टू दिस कॉलेज ओनली. देन काउंसलिंग एंड ऑल के बाद फाइनली मुझे यही कॉलेज में यही ब्रांच मिला. एंड या मैं कॉलेज आई. आई वॉज एक्साइटेड, आई वॉज सुपर एक्साइटेड बिकॉज दिस वॉज द ओनली थिंग दैट आई वॉन्टेड. बचपन से मुझे था कि मुझे घर से दूर जाके एक इंडिपेंडेंट लाइफ जीनी है और चीज़ें खुद से सीखनी है, खुद से बहुत चीज़ें ट्राई करनी है. बहुत सारे गोल्स एंड एम्बिशंस थे, बहुत सारे प्लानिंग्स थी कि ये करना है वो करना है. सो या वो समय आ चुका था. दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज टू एक्साइटेड. मैं अपने फादर के साथ आई NIT अगरतला एंड NIT अगरतला वाज गुड. I mean, I didn't expect it this much from the college, and it was good. Like infrastructure wise, it was good, and even like people were good, and everything was so nice. Like parents was like so proud on that first day physical reporting day. The environment and the aura of the college was so great, to be honest. Then after 1 or 2 days, my father left, and yeah, I was alone in this city. I wasn't sad. I mean, I was not at all sad, to be honest. I was not homesick. मुझे मैं शायद इतने दिनों से मुझे 6 महीने हो चुका है यहाँ पे आए हुए, बट एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि like I'm crying that I have to go home. I mean, obviously I miss my parents, but that doesn't mean that I want to go back to home. No, never. सो द ओनली थिंग मतलब द थिंग्स वो वेरी क्लियर इन माई माइंड कि मुझे कॉलेज जाके क्या क्या करना है. वो सब चीज़ें मेरी पहले से डिसाइडेड थी कि ऑब्वियसली मुझे NIT सिर्फ IIT इसलिए जाना था बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू गेट द एक्सपोजर. आई वॉन्टेड टू मीट न्यू पीपल, टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर लैंग्वेज, देयर कल्चर, देयर experiences and everything. So obviously it was clear that I have to interact as many people as possible. So आते से ही like till now I think almost like most of the first years know me, even a lot of seniors know me because I was too interactive with the people. So like first week itself में ही मैंने मेरी इंग्लिश हिंदी बहुत अजीब है. तो पहले वीक के दौरान ही मैंने बहुत लोगों से इंटरेक्ट कर लिया था. काफ़ी लोग मुझे जानते थे एंड या आई वाज लिविंग द लाइफ दैट आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू लिव. फिर कॉलेज में बहुत सारे क्लब्स थे एंड आई ऑब्वियसली देयर वर फ्यू क्लब्स जिनमें मैं श्योर थी कि मुझे जाना है. जैसे कि हियर वी हैव वन मंसॉ क्लब, like it's where MUN keeps happening. MUN is like Model United Nation. You guys can go and read about that, what's that. So I was clear that I have to be a part of that. So I gave interview, I got selected. Then I was the part of weekend. Weekend is a basically here we teach underprivileged students, so I was part of that as well. After that I did drama, I did acting, like 2 to 3 acts I did. So I was the part of our club, that is the drama club of our college. And also I'm in NCC as well. So yeah, like my life was whole busy because that was the only thing that I wanted during JE time. सुबह से शाम तक बस घर में बीत जाता था सब कुछ समय, और घर पे बस बैठ के ओवर थिंकिंग के अलावा कुछ नहीं रहता था. बट यहाँ पे आके मेरा फ़ोन का स्क्रीन टाइम शायद 12-13 घंटों से 1-2 घंटे पर आ चुका था. एंड 24/7 I was involved in something that made sense. Like, yeah, I was doing things, I was doing stuff, and it was feeling so nice. And yeah, so if I talk about my routine, so Monday to Friday we have classes, and it was so hectic, to be honest. Like engineering, graphics, basic electronic labs, physics labs, all these things are too hectic. I mean, at least for me it was too hectic because I'm not a person who loves technology, who loves tech, who loves science and all. I'm more of a social science of kind of person. I know you will think, why am I doing engineering then? That's a different story. But yeah, so I was finding these things so difficult, but somehow I was managing. I was going to classes, like I was attending classes. My attendance used to be like around 80 to 90% all the time. I didn't bunk classes. And after that, like wow, 9 to yeah, wow, 9 to 4 I used to have my classes, regular classes. Then on Tuesday and Thursday I used to go to weekend to teach kids. And rest, I was part of different clubs, so I had like I always has had something to do. So I was always busy. Like in time in our hostel is 7:30 p.m. for girls in summers. Like in winters, like now at this, like this is January, so now it is 7 p.m. But in my first semester it was 7:30 p.m. So मैं मॉर्निंग 9 a.m. मेरा रूम छोड़ती थी, और मैं शाम को 7:30 बजे ही एंटर करती थी मेरे रूम में. बिकॉज पूरे टाइम आई वॉज आउटसाइड, आई वॉज डूइंग स्टफ हियर एंड देयर, interacting with seniors and everything. So yeah, मेरी routine ऐसे रहती थी. And Saturday Sunday, which used to be a free day, a chill day for everybody, for me that was yeah, I was the part of NCC, as I mentioned. So on Saturday Sunday I used to wake up at 5. Then from 6 to 9 we used to have drills, NCC drills. And after 9 I used to come for breakfast, and obviously those drills are so hectic, so I used to get tired. And yeah, that's how my day used to go. I'm like, excuse me if I am grammatically incorrect, I don't know. So yeah, हम तो मेरा रूटीन कुछ ऐसा था, and I was enjoying it. I loved being busy. So इस तरीके से मैंने मेरा फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर स्पेंड किया. Now if you talk about my CG, कि मेरा CG कितना आया, I won't tell that. But yeah, I would say it was good. Like, not good, but it was not even bad. I mean, decent. So yeah, obviously I have to improve my CG in the next semester. But for this semester it was fine because along with studies I did a lot of things. I mean, the kind of experiences that I gained via all these things is like on a very different level. So I would like to say to people who are right now, sitting in a room solving the numericals of NLM, kinematics, fluids, thermodynamics, solving calculus, and learning that organic chemistry, or learning that clo like what, all those JE stuff. Trust me, when you will come to college you will not regret things that you're doing right now. Like, it will all be worth it will be worth it, I would say. So just keep studying, and this time will pass. This time will pass. I mean, I cannot imagine that there was a time when I used to sit in my room and think कि ये समय कब जाएगा, आखिर कब तक ऐसे पढ़ते रहना पड़ेगा. और but yeah, right now I am sitting in the campus of NIT Agartala recording this to tell you guys that yeah, think time will pass, and soon there will be a time when you will be sitting in the campus of your college and remembering your like you'll remember your J days. So it will all be worth it. So yeah, keep studying, be motivated, and surely I'm going to make more videos in future. Thank you. Bye bye.